Good morning, y'all. This is DP with DJ, and it is Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. And Kitty, I want to show you the difference between multiplacing with a plastic tip versus a metal tip. I'm going to place some drills down. Now this is just a 3-placer, okay, and it's very thick and very hard to see, but I got used to it a little bit, but I really like the metal placers a lot better because this takes me forever because, yeah, see, these aren't straight. Okay, now we're going to do the metal, and I shouldn't have straightened them. I should have just left them alone so you could see how much easier. And maybe the 5-placer is too much for you to be trying to multiplace with to start. Now, it is just, I don't know if you can see the difference. See how thick this is versus, see how slender that is? I mean, side by side, you can see the difference in the widths. So I really think you're going to like the multiplacers, the metal ones, much better. But see how thick that plastic tip is? That is very thick versus the metal. The metal is much, much thinner and makes it easier to place drills, in my opinion. I don't, the plastic just makes it so difficult to see. And the other thing is just honestly your trays. And I'm only doing 4 with the 5-placer. And you can do 3, and but here is 5. Let's get over here. But, and what I'm doing is, when I'm placing them down, I am, yeah, see, I grabbed a extra one there. But when I lay it down, I'm looking at my symbol just at the very end here, the end drill. Before I place it, I'm looking at that and then just laying it down. So let me get that off of there. Actually, we can just move that right over there. But those plastic, I'm telling you, Kitty, those plastic ones make multiplacing way more difficult, in my opinion. The metal tips are much easier to diamond paint with, especially multiplacing. And if you still have questions, I really think you're going to like the metal tips so much more. But my advice is that 5-placer, that's if you're just learning to multiplace, that's a lot of tip to be trying to handle, especially with a plastic multiplacer. I hope this helps you understand that placing your drills, you're much much better off. You look at your first on the end, and you just kind of rock it down. The same with picking them up. Look and set it down. And look and set it down and just kind of roll it. I know it's probably very difficult to see, but set it down and roll it. I mean, that's how I do it. So I hope this helps you a little bit, Kitty. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate. You can. My email is in my description, my channel description. Feel free to email me if you still have questions, hon. And in the subject, be sure to put your channel name in the subject so I know it's you. And I'd be more than happy to answer any questions for you. And I look forward to talking with you, hon. Have a great day.